cold weather and getting ready for it. Alex Puckett, our meteorologist, you're keeping an eye on things and going to help us kind of understand the timeline we're looking at here with this storm?
Yeah, so already seeing some wintry weather back into northwest Alabama. For those of us in central Alabama, that will hold off till late this afternoon and tonight. But for parts of Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties, seeing some wintry mix starting to move in at this point, extending from around Sulligent, Detroit, back up towards Hamilton, Scottsville, Bear Creek, and now starting to see that not only get towards Haleyville, but seeing some radar returns back towards Double Springs too and approaching Smith Lake. The heaviest stuff still back off to our north and west over towards the shoals, but certainly some wintry mix making it down to the ground into at least parts of Marion and Lamar County. Here's the thinking. As we head through the day today, that moisture slowly slides southeast. As it does so, not everybody getting the same kind of impacts. For far northern Alabama, those are going to be the biggest travel impacts, biggest overall impacts, where we could see snow and sleet accumulations exceed 3 inches. 1 to 3 inches, say from around the Tennessee River back down towards Highway 278. And then for most of central Alabama, just a few spots with maybe a dusting of sleet or snow and some ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. Not everybody's going to see something stick here. That's important to note. But where it does happen, we could see some travel issues pop up. So let's go to the futurecast here. Again, you can see this morning, northwest Alabama dealing with the worst of this. As we head into the afternoon, that moisture slowly sliding south. This stuff doesn't even make it to I-20, though, until after sunset tonight. Notice that we lose some of the moisture here. Those showers becoming more isolated as we head through tonight and into tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, this stuff is long gone. Winter storm warnings for the northern end of the state, including Cullman, Winston, and Marion counties. That's where, at least in central Alabama, our best chance is going to be for snow accumulations that would be measurable, as well as significant and widespread travel issues. Those travel issues more isolated for the rest of central Alabama. That's where we've got a winter weather advisory, but we still think there could be some ice accumulations that could lead to some travel impacts on Tuesday morning. Today, temperatures above freezing for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Talladega, Anniston, but below freezing north and west. Temperatures making it up to the 40s in Birmingham, close to I-20. Further north and west, there may be some spots that stay below freezing today. And then tomorrow morning, temperatures down into the teens, wind chills in the single digits and even below 0 in northwest Alabama. We'll do that again as we head into Wednesday morning. And I expect at least a 36-hour period across central Alabama with temperatures below freezing from tonight into Wednesday afternoon. So we're weather aware for this extreme cold and the potential for some travel impacts with some of this wintry weather as we head through tonight into tomorrow morning. Then another round of rain, maybe some wintry mix Friday, then cold and dry for the weekend. Kristen.